Hey guys, today's video is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing. I just got it in the mail and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in here. First off, check out my shirt. How cute is my shirt? It just says woman on it. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Well, if you like it, I have 2 more of these in my Poshmark closet. I have a size small and a size large. I'll link my Poshmark closet down below if you're interested. But yeah, I don't know, I just like it. It's cute, it's simple, I love the color, and I'm digging it. On to the video. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service. I've been getting it for 6 years and I absolutely love it. I will have my Boxycharm playlist down below. I am an ambassador with them, so they do send me this box for free. And I'm always honest with you guys about these boxes. Like, not every single box that I've received has been amazing, but there has been something amazing in every box. That makes sense. There hasn't been a box really that I can think of where I've just kind of been like, this sucks. Whereas with other subscription services, I can't say the same. Okay, well, let's get into the box. The theme for this month is glam vibes only. First thing in the box is Luna Magic Beauty. The Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set. Retails for $18. Yeah, it's a brush set with like this holographic packaging that smells like a pool float. That's one of my favorite scents ever. You guys know that like plasticky scent? Tell me I'm not weird. Honestly, I'm glad to be getting more makeup brushes because just gonna be real with you guys, my 3 toddlers love to paint, and when we run out of paintbrushes they use my makeup brushes. They look like. Next thing in the box is from Huda Beauty. This is the Lifeliner Duo Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. Retails for $25. The ultimate life-proof dual-ended eyeliner with a liquid tip on one side and a pencil on the other. Long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof, and fade-proof. As I kick my light over. Guys, I got a new ring light. I'm going to talk about it in another video, but I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So this is in the color Very Vanta, which is extreme black. All right, so one side we have the black liner, then the other side is the liquid liner. Also from Huda. Why do I keep wanting to say Huda? It's Huda, right? It's Huda Beauty. This is the Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. Yes, Matte and Metal Liquid Shadows. This retails for $25. It's a dual-ended, ooh, we got 2 dual-ended things. A dual-ended liquid shadow containing a rich, velvety matte formula on one side and an over-the-top sparkly on the other. Ooh, let's check this out. This is in the color Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. These are pretty colors. Yes, let's swatch them. It's pretty. There's the matte color, and then this one is Shimmering Sunset. Focus. There we go. Okay, so that's what did I say? No, this is Shimmering Sunset and Private Jet. Don't mind my nails. Those are really pretty. Next thing in the box is from Pharmacy. This is a Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. I almost said areola cherry. Don't laugh. Come on, grow up. The super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. Retails for $45. So there's the packaging. Acerola, not areola cherry. Stop it. All right, let's see. Oh, it said fragrance free, so I don't even know why I'm gonna bother to smell it. I'm actually really excited about this. I do need a brightening cream for under my eyes because I have not been sleeping lately. Thank you, pregnancy insomnia. And the last thing in the box, as usual, is a palette. Hip Dot. Where'd my card go? Hip Dot. I've never heard of that brand before. This is the Zion eyeshadow palette, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan-free, blah, blah, blah. Retails for $30. Really pretty packaging. Let's see. Hip Dot. Have you guys ever heard of that brand before? I have not. Ooh, I like the packaging. Oh, really pretty colors. Woo! Woo! Okay, so my thoughts on this box. I'm really excited for this palette. These are really, really pretty colors. Super excited for the eye cream. I'm actually probably gonna use this after I take my makeup off. Tap and gently smooth, may apply to brow bone. Hold on, is this not what I think it is? I thought this was like a, okay. Yeah, it doesn't smell. Why am I smelling? Is it fragrance free? I don't know. All right, we're gonna try this out. I'm excited for this though. I'm definitely excited for these colors. Like, they're really pretty. The eyeliner, can never have too many black eyeliners. And actually, I don't think I have like a liquid black eyeliner because I don't typically use black liquid liners. So it's good to have one. And then these brushes, as I said, can always use more makeup brushes because they double as paintbrushes for my kids. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.